Hi everybody, welcome to my YouTube channel. Mr. Nasser Server here. Today I'm going to give you the review of interactive smart board that mostly the people are using in the school and colleges, and this also you can use in the business purposes. So the screen on my back, you can see that is 65 inches interactive smart board. So let's go and open it and switch on. So let's see how it works. So when you switch on, okay, so you have the screen and you can see this is going to switch on. It will take little time, okay, and now you have the button on the right side, so you can use this button and you can switch on, please. Okay, you can see the screen right now. Look at that. When you switch on, so you can see the screen. This is the app. You see the 4 or 5 folders on the screen, and this is the Wondercast server, whiteboard, file browser, and setting. But I'm going to start in steps. Okay. So basically, when you switch on this and you want to use the whiteboard, first I will talk about the whiteboard, because this is the replacement of the manual whiteboard, and you can use for the multi-purposes. So let's open the whiteboard. This is the whiteboard that you can see in my background. So if anything you want to write, you have the one smart pen. Either if you don't have the smart pen, you lost that, you can use your finger, you can write anything on that. Okay, so this is very helpful. If I have this screen in the background, I want to change the background, so I click in the left side, and there are the different background screens. You can split the screen, you can change the color, multi-touch screen, and you have a lot of options here. The shape recognition and manual position and backgrounds. I want to change the color of the background. You can see I'm changing the color that is suit you. You can change and you can keep that color. For example, I have the black one. This is, you can use that. I think this is most useful is this one. I will keep this. Okay, so this one basically the white board. If you want to write anything, you have more pen options here, different colors here. If you want to click on the pen, see all marker pen, and you can use, and there you can thickness, you can increase and decrease. That is very helpful for all of you for the notes. Okay, when you are writing some questions here, for example 7x plus 2 something I'm writing here equal to 9, I want to save that, so you can share directly with the student from this screen. Okay, click here, share. So when there is a share option here, when you click that, QR code will appear on the screen. These students will what they will do, that they will scan it, and automatically this will be shared with the students, or whatever the client you want to share that the screen notes, they will get that. Okay, this was basically the whatever you are writing on the whiteboard, and you will if you want to write a different, you want to use a different pages the background, so you click here on the right side, you will get that more pages, and 90 pages you can continuously you can use that, and you can share with the audience or the students, whatever you are using for. Okay, so this basically was this smart board, basically whiteboard that you can use here. Now let's talk about the more in detail. When I go on the screen, see, click here and you will get the different screens on the wall. You can see the browser setting here, whiteboard, and the file browser, and internet here directly you can use, and the gallery and all these things. But I will go, before going to use the next step, the laptop or PC, I want to tell you the right side options. When you go to the right side options, so here you will click that in the right corner, you have very interesting options here. You can see this is the camera. You can open this camera, and this camera you can record, and you can this audience, you can show them, for example, one activity is going on, you can see on the screen. Even you can open the video options here. There is a video option, so it will automatically on. You can connect with the mobile phone. How you will connect the mobile phone? Or tab. So you click here option, they can get the clips, whatever you are adding that, and here is a move to the mobile phone, you can directly add that one. If you go back, there are many options here, you can use that. This is a very interesting one. Okay, so I was here, I want to show you more detail. See here, the calculator here. This calculator you can use during the whiteboard, and you can make it minimize. Okay, so you can make it minimize, move this in the right corner. Okay, so whatever you are doing the calculation here, use the calculator in front of all that. This is also interactive. Okay, this smart calculator. Now I have another option here. See here, the voting machines, the countdown. For example, you give some activity or you give some presentation. You are going to give the presentation to the students. So you can want to give them countdown. You can write a 5-minute activity or 4-minute. Start here. The time you can put on the screen, and that will be movable, and it will make noise after 5 minutes. That is also very interesting. Okay, so next I want to go and more in detail. Okay, so here you can see the lock this screen. Basically, lock this screen means when whatever you are doing here, okay, you can lock it and you can write and you can share with the students. So this was the whiteboard options, and there are many options are here. When you go here, you can take the pictures for the maths. Okay, there are the options here, the shapes you can take from there. Okay, so open it and you can see the different things you can take from the saving mode. For example, you have a USB, and you want to use from the storage that you already stored in the computer or in the smart board, that you can use that. So this was basically the whiteboard. Now I'm going back to the screen. So the most important use of the smart board is the connectivity of the PC or connectivity of the laptop. You want to use that. How you will connect? This is the question. There are two ways to connect. The first one I want to show you. There are some ports here. See, there are the ports HDMI. You can connect directly from here your laptop with the wire. Okay, this was the one option. But you know that we don't want to manually connect all that. We already replaced a manual whiteboard. So with the smart board, so why not automatically or technology oriented things we use? So I will prefer to all of you to download this app, WonderCast Server. Okay, how you need to download on your laptop or PC. After downloading that, when you open on the screen, if you are not going to open, no problem, you can see there is a code on the screen. Okay, all the time, the screen code. Okay, this code you want to see, if you want to see the right corner, there is the code. Otherwise you can click it here. Okay, this is the code here. Okay, 406038 you have to put in your PC. I have my PC here, my laptop here. I'm going to connect and you will see that my laptop will be on the screen. Okay, now I'm going to put the code. So look at that, I'm putting that this is 4060, okay, and 38. Okay, now so this is your screen, laptop screen will be on the smart board, and now you just forget your laptop. Now everything you can do on the whiteboard. See, this is my PPT or PowerPoint presentation. Now I want to write something on the PPT, so I will click here. The right side there is a pen. I will click here. I want to do some calculations. I want to find the area. I want to calculate whatever the calculation I want to do that. So I can teach that according to that. Okay. So if I want to change this slide, so I will click right that. I can get the new slide. So look at that. So these things you can easily do that. It's a more interactive, more you can save your time. You can show animations. On these animations, you know, whenever you want to write that, so it's easy for you. Just when you click on the pen, screen become locked. Okay, so just find do the calculation here, something you want to write that. Okay, and then go back to the screen. And what you will do that, when you will go back to the screen here, and you can see you already have taken the snapshot or picture, and this you can student directly you can share with the students. How you will share that? See here. Okay, this is the QR code, and you can the students will take the picture, or the audience and client will take the picture, and you can share with that. So this was basically how you can use the PPT, PowerPoint presentation, and whatever the articles you are using on the laptop directly connect, and there will be no use of PC directly you're using with the hand. Everything will be on the smart board. Now, okay, let's go back. So now I want to tell you that if you are going online, you have something that you want to give the task to the students, and you want to give them, and they want to search out from the internet, and you want to bring something from there. So you need to go and open that. There is a browser here, you can see. Okay, click it here. Okay, so when you click on that, okay, so just a second, I will go back again. Okay, this is the browser. I will click on here. Okay, see here, I want, for example, moment of inertia was the topic. So if I will click on it, and you can see now. Okay, so when you click on it, okay, so you will get that the browser whatever you want to get that. For example, I want to say take this some pictures from there that I have here this picture. I'll click on it and you can zoom it or you can select. Okay, so this picture is on the screen right now. You can move this picture whatever you want. If you want to write on this picture, you can write it here. Okay, so whatever you want to do. Okay, see, so I want this picture, I want to save and later on I want to share with the students. So what you will do that you just click here, there is the screenshot. It is already taken the shot. You can student will take the screenshot and you can use that. So this is really amazing. I'm telling you why, because in the manual board it was a time-taking process. This is short, interactive, and you can make this more interactive with the more you can say options. You will try it, you will see how it works. So but I will suggest you, when you will use it, first you need to learn all options, then you can utilize it. And I hope you got all options. And today tutorial for the smart board, inshallah I will see you in my next video. So thank you very much for today.